Okay. The piece we're gonna do is called Watch Me. So enjoy.
I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope to see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over.
Go on, watch me. That's all you can do now. I mean, gone are the days when you were my big wow, when I used to blush at the sight of your smile, always looking like a fool just so I could please you. Like, ew. Thanks to God I outgrew that silly hallucination of me being with you. It's great. Life was kind enough to open my eyes and show me that there's more to it than you and your lies. Praise God I don't have to go through it again. The headaches, the heartaches, the silly arguments, the oh yes I'll have him even if he ain't got no brains.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Till don't forget me, I bet. I remember you saying sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Someone like you. You played with my heart when you knew I was weak. You succeeded in leaving me grieving, disadvantaged, heartbroken, feeling cheated. I tried thinking and drinking and screaming and weeping, and it really left me thinking that my life was not worth living. I don't believe that there was a time in this realm that I was foolishly deceived by your pretense. And for a moment I thought you were a real man. But oh boy, was I wrong for much more than so long. All you had was an appealing real ego. An imbecile, a child, a pain in the backside, a cheat and a fake, a moneyless crackhead, an illiterate, inconsiderate, belittling bastard. I don't think I have the words to express the impression you left because of that.
You know how the time flies on me. Yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in the summer haze, bound by the surprise of our glory days. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over.
I don't think I can find the words to express the impression you left because I'm breathless. Yeah, take a moment and think of this sentence. You don't know a good woman when you see one. I guess that's why you tried so hard to beat me down. I mean, what other explanation would you use to profuse that brainless object on your neck would muse at the dreadful sight of a girl heartbroken? But you know what they say, let that little bird fly away. If it comes back, it was yours in the first place. We'll catch this. I'm so glad you broke my heart and showed me what life is all about. They say you never know what you've got till it's gone. One day you're gonna wake up and find out you're all alone. It doesn't take a century to move on.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you.